Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you in a list if one of element satisfies particular condition, I want to return 1, okay, otherwise 0. If at least one element satisfies my condition, I want to return 1. If not, I want to return 0. That means not one of them is satisfy my condition, I want to return 0. Okay, so for example here I have a list of elements here in the list. I want to check whether if at least one of the element is greater than 10, I want to return 1. Okay, how to do this condition? Okay, I use or put the list here at least one, so I need to use or. If it is all of them, then you must use and. Okay, so or now you put condition 10. Okay, so you are checking the condition with or. If at least it is checking every individual element of this list 1, and if it is greater than 10, it will return true. At least one is for this list. It is going to be an array of true and false. For first element it is true, comma second element, third element, so it is a set of true or false. Then it will check or condition. If any of one is true, then it will return true. Okay, so since it is an array formula, we need to we cannot just simply press enter. If you simply press enter, it will be a error, because it is array formula is a array of true and false. Then again it is going to return, and or function is applied on that, so it is going to return true or false. So it is a single cell array formula, so you need to press Ctrl Shift Enter. Okay, once you put a Ctrl Shift Enter, you can see brace is enclosed here. You can see it is enclosed by a brace, enclosed by braces. That means it shows that it is a array formula. Now it is a true or false, but our objective is to return with 1 or 0. If it is false, I need 0, and if it is true, I need 1. So if it at least one of the element is satisfying my condition, I want to return 1. How to change true or false into 1 and 0s? It's very simple. Just apply a double unary operator, hyphen. Now Ctrl Shift Enter. You can see it is 0 because none of them is greater than 10. Our condition is greater than 10. I just make it as 11. You can see it changed to 1 because at least one element here, which is the 1/4 element in the list, is greater than 10. Okay, similarly for the list 2, how can I do this? Equal to or I just put the condition and greater than 10, close the bracket, then apply a double unary, then Ctrl Shift Enter. Okay, yes, none of them is greater than 10, so it is 0. It is just 10, it is not greater than 10. I put this one as 18, so it is 1. At least one of the element is greater than 10, satisfying our condition, it is 1. Okay, so what if it is not a single column list? If it is a 10 by 2 array, how you will do it? Okay, you can do it that one also in the similar fashion, or use the or function. Then you put the full array, then you check individual elements greater than 10, close the bracket. It is going to be a true, for true, 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 this is false, true, something like that. It's a 10 by 2 array of true or false. Okay, so how to change this true or false into 0 and 1s? Just put a double unary operator, and this is a array function. So array formula press Ctrl Shift Enter. You can see 1. Since out of this 10 by 2 array, there is at least one element is greater than 10, that's why it is 1. So I'll change this one to 9. What happens? You can see this one individually it becomes 0, but it still remains 1 because there is another element. Collectively you can see this formula here is collectively 10 by 2 matrix. So here still there is one element is greater than 10. You change this one also 4, then everything becomes 0. So this way you can use array formula or to find out at least one of the element in the list satisfies the condition, then returns 1. Okay, hope this